How to fix Facebook video not playing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook video not playing on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type here Facebook and you will find it. Then click on it. Now just click storage and then clear cache, and now go back and here click battery, this one here, and if you find here this one performance mode, just enable it, and you can disable it if you want, and that's it. And then just go back to storage, go to storage and think, and here click clean up. Now just clean some space, or you can just clean it from your gallery if you want, and that's it for today's video. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.